Yo, 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 this is Saul, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We have 3 evolution stories left, guys. 3 left. We're on to Calem. We'll do a day with Calem first, just to remind everyone, like all my previous evolution stories videos. And then we'll evolve him. Espurr.
Excuse me.
AZ.
You've gotta be kidding me.
I wonder if we will be, we would have him as our, since they did say that every single Pokemon trainer will be in the game. We actually fight against AZ, So I wonder if we will eventually have AZ in the game. 3,000 years.
Yeah?
Flower.
I wasn't expecting that.
That's impressive psychic power.
Yeah? Feeling good.
So is this a male or a female Espurr? Do you understand them? Him, male. So black one? Or is it the white one?
My bad.
The male is the black one, right?
Yeah?
I'm not sure.
Brace yourself. Let's battle.
Very nice. Time to evolve Espurr right now. Espurr's evolution. We fight against Nanu. 91 minus 5 equals 86 evolution shards left. Here we go. I hope to use our sync move before evolving, like all my previous videos once again. So, hopefully things go well.
Please?
Sure.
Dun dun dun.
Don't take it too
Dun
serious
dun
now.
dun. I did say I like this music. Kahuna music.
Here I go.
Get ready.
7! Oh no! Oh, we can just use Thunder Wave all over again, over and over again. And get that number down to 0.
That's it.
Because we just want to use our sync move, guys. Just want to show you what the sync move looks like.
Good.
Here's also myself. I don't really use Espurr often.
Now's my chance. Now's my chance.
Here we go.
Have a taste of my power. Get ready.
Dead. And with that said, time to evolve Espurr.
I'm gonna power my way to the top. Okay.
Congratulations.
Whoa, incredible.
Evolve time, evolution time. Here we go.
I'm so
It's the
excited.
black one. It's the black one. Mind-bending psychic. Let's try it out, guys. Since Espurr or, Meowstick has Thunder Wave, it's pretty convenient to waste moves and not kill the opponent. For some other sync pair or evolution stories, we always accidentally kill off the opponent. We don't want that happening. Let's skip this.
Excuse me.
Don't take it too serious now. Here I go.
Get ready.
Thunder Wave.
Go.
Thunder Wave.
That's it.
Thunder Wave.
That's it. Leave it to me.
Yes, intentionally wasting Thunder Wave, guys.
Leave it to me. Now's my chance.
Do your thing.
Now's my chance.
And here we go.
Have a taste of my power. Get ready.
Nice. Beautiful background over there. Much more well thought of than Psychic
Power my way to the top.
Psychic something. Psychic Sync. I forgot. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up.
Okay.
Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Very few evolution stories left. I'll see you in the next video.
Incredible.
And with that said,